Humanity constantly seeks to explore new possibilities, concepts, and utopias that may lead to new kinds of interaction. Music and art, for example, change all the time, never remaining static. We can therefore ask, what will be the effect of the information society on our individual creativity in music, the visual arts, or poetry? This kind of society has its advantages, although it includes both information and misinformation. How then to differentiate between them? Aural is an evolutionary and interactive installation created to express the interchange of meaning between visual and sonic information under the presence of robotic agents. Aural emergent behavior culminates with the creation of trajectories for mobile robots, or choreographies. These choreographies are integrated with visual and sound control. The processes studied are linked to the concept of self-organization, used as a compositional paradigm. JVox, the system that sonifies the trajectories in the Aural, is an unfolding of vox populi environment, also based on evolutionary computation. In vox populi, the curves drawn in the interface are transformed into sound events by using populations of clusters and chords of 4 MIDI notes. An analogy can be made of each individual within the population with a choir of 4 voices that can be classified as bass, tenor, contralto, and soprano. At each step of the evolutionary process, a new sonority is created. The choir with the highest fitness is selected and sent to the MIDI board to be played. Like in the vox populi, in the Aural, the curves are drawn into the JVox interface and transmitted as trajectories to a mobile robot. A red line is drawn by the